Okay, so in this video, we are going to explain example 8 for subtopic 2.3. So the question is, a parallel plate capacitor is made from two plates 12 cm on each side. So actually, dia punya plate ni adalah 12 times 12. Tapi dia macam tak make sense dia punya lukisan lah. Okay. Tapi actually, dia punya tu adalah 12 cm times 12 cm. Panjang 12 cm, lebar pun 12 cm. And 4.5 millimeter apart. Okay. Okay, so dia dah bagi sides. Okay, nanti kita kena cari area. And then the distance dia adalah 4.5. Okay, half of the space of the plates filled with the air and another half is filled with the glass of dielectric constant of 3.4. Okay, yang ni pelik sikit. Okay, question is a bit special. Separuh daripada ruang tu dipenuhi oleh glass dan separuh dipenuhi oleh air. Okay, and 18 battery is connected across the plate. Okay, and then the hint, dia kata apa? The object is equivalent of two identical capacitors in parallel. Macam mana kita nak guna hint ni nanti? Okay, it is actually bila dia kata half. Okay, so maksudnya panjang yang dipenuhi oleh kelas dekat sini. Okay, so dari sini sampai, okay, this area. Okay, this one. Okay, actually sini sampai sini, okay, sebab the hole is 12, so sini sampai sini is 6 cm lah. And then also sini sampai sini is also 6 cm. Bila you nak kira area of the capacitor, you just simply buat area is equals to 6 times 12 lah. Okay, sebab for each of the glass and air, dia hanya memenuhi separuh. Okay, so you akan dapat 72 cm squared, and then you convert kepada mm, so you akan dapat 72 times 10 power of negative 2 squared. So you akan dapat 72 times 10 power of negative 4 m squared. Okay, so that's for the area. And then for the distance, you have to convert it to SI unit, which is 1.8 times 10 power of negative 3 meter. Okay, so now we are going to calculate for the capacitance, but then we have two capacitance that we have to calculate first. First, capacitance with the glass, and another one is capacitance with the air field. Sebab kita ada dua sebenarnya. Okay, dia seolah-olah macam ada dua capacitor. Okay, so we start with part A. Okay, so kita akan kira capacitance with the air field dulu. So I denote dia dengan C naught. Okay, naught kat sini merujuk kepada air lah. Okay, ia merujuk kepada air field. Okay, so just substitute in the value. So C naught U akan adalah sama dengan epsilon naught area. Just substitute in the value. So epsilon is pre-phase permittivity 8.85 times 10 power of negative 12. Area U is 72 times 10 power of negative 4. And then you divide with 1.8 times 10 power of negative 3. So your punya capacitance is equals to 1.416 times 10 power of negative 11 farad. Okay, and then I boleh kira capacitance with the glass. So epsilon naught, epsilon R A over D. Okay, apa yang you perasan? Epsilon naught A per D ni tadi sama dengan C naught. Betul tak? Betul? So I just simplikan CI is equals to just epsilon R darab dengan C naught. Nampak? I substitute terus C naught. So C naught you dah dapat dekat sini. Okay, so bila you dapat, you just substitute je lah nilai. You tak payah nak kira another again. Press calculator banyak. Okay, so masukkan je 3.4. You darabkan dengan value C naught. So 1.416 times 10 power of negative 11. And then just direct press your calculator and you will get 4.81 times 10 power of negative 11 farad. Lebih easy. Okay, sekarang you dah ada nilai yang ini with the glass, C with the glass. Okay, and then you dah ada nilai capacitance with for the air field. So tadi dia kata hint dia object is equivalent to two identical capacitors in parallel. So kalau capacitor, connections capacitor secara paralel, kita nak kira dia punya C total. So C total dia is we just sum up lah, C naught plus C. Okay, so C total you akan dapat 1.416 times 10 power of negative 11 plus dengan 4.81 times 10 power of negative 11. And then you punya C total would be 6.226 times 10 power of negative 11 farad. Okay, so this would be your final answer. You punya C total. Okay, and then moving on to the part B. Okay, part B, it asking for how much energy stored in capacitor. So I would like, okay, energy stored kita ada 3 formula, but I would like to use equation U equals to half CV squared sebab everything is there. Okay, so U is equals to 1.2 and then you masukkan C total. Okay, nilai C total to 2.26 times 10 power of negative 11 and then you punya potential is 18. So 18 squared. Okay, squared ni selalu menjadi masalah student, tak suka ganti. Okay, pergantian selalu salah, so be careful. So UU akan sama dengan okay 1.009 times 10 power of negative 8 joule. So we done for part B. It's very straightforward questions. Yang tricky cuma part E sahaja. Okay, part C. If the glass is removed, how much energy will be stored? Okay, sekarang apa jadi pada kapasitor tu untuk part C? Dia keluarkan balik glass. So apa yang tinggal adalah you punya kapasitor macam ni. So ini adalah air fill. So bila dah air fill, so sini akan jadi panjang dia akan jadi 12. Okay, so lebar dia pun akan jadi 12. Memang 12 lah lebar dia. Okay, so sekarang you kena cari area baru lah untuk the plates. So area yang baru you akan dapat 12 times 12 which is equals to 144 cm squared. Then you kena convert kepada meter squared. So you 144 times 10 power of negative 2 squared. Okay, so you akan dapat 144 times 10 power of negative 4 meter squared. So area yang baru. Okay, so they're asking for the energy kan. So kita kena cari nilai capacitance yang baru lah. Sebab you nak kira U equals to half CV squared. Sekarang you punya C dekat sini adalah new C. Okay, so CU yang baru adalah epsilon naught A over D. So AU dekat sini, okay, adalah area yang baru. Okay, so C equals to free space permittivity. So substitute in the area. Ini divide with D dia berapa tadi? 1.8 times 10 power of negative 3. And then calculate you punya nilai capacitance. Okay. Betul ke D dia 1.8? Sebentar. Okay, I perasan kat mana I silap. Okay, dia punya distance macam mana I boleh dapat 1.8 dah? 4.5. Okay, 4.5. Okay, so dekat sini 4.5. Okay, sorry. Okay, tapi jawapan dia betul. Okay, jawapan dia betul. Okay, the answer is right, but my substitution is wrong. Okay, kat sini betulkan sikit. Okay, sorry for my bad. Okay, so dekat sini you gantikan 4.5 lah. Okay, and then press your calculator and then you will get 2.832 times 10 power of negative 11 farad. So you dah dapat C yang baru, then you can calculate now for the energy stored. So half darabkan dengan C 2.832 times 10 power of negative 11 and then you punya voltage is 18 squared. So you punya nilai U yang baru is 4.59 times 10 power of negative 9 joule. So that's it. Itu saja. It's a bit tricky, but you have to be very careful. Okay, that's all for this video and thank you very much guys.